Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about the Whill Model F folding power wheelchair. This is a very compact chair with an award-winning design. It's durable because it's made with a lightweight aluminum material. It can fold in less than 3 seconds and fits into the trunk of most vehicles. It also has a very tight turning radius of 30.7 inches. It has a removable LG battery. There are a wide range of color options, accessory options, and it is TSA and cruise line friendly. Not only can you travel with it, but it's also rugged enough to handle the outdoors. Now, if you want to learn more about this product, claim a copy of our free product catalog. All you have to do is go to our website, mobilitydirect.com. Click on the green button at the top of every page that says free catalog. Fill out the simple short form that you're seeing on the screen now, and you'll get one in the mail within 1 to 2 weeks tops. You could also just call the number below, speak with one of our non-commissioned sales experts, give them your address, and they'll process the request for you by phone. Or just click on the top right-hand corner of the screen where it says Get Free Catalog. Keep in mind, we're not just an online store. We have local brick-and-mortar locations, so come on by and test drive one of our products today. So again, we're going to talk about the Whill Model F. I'm going to go over some of the specs, not all of them, but if you stay tuned to the end of the video, I will put the full specification list on the screen, as well as a hidden message that will give you access to an exclusive discount code only available on this video. So pay attention and stay tuned till the end of the video. So to start things off, I'm going to tell you what I don't like about this chair. Instead of focusing on all the good stuff like most YouTubers out there, what I don't like about this chair is that it can only support 250 pounds. While that might be okay for you, for someone like me, I weigh about 215 pounds. So if I add a few grocery bags in the storage bag underneath the seat, I'm pushing it pretty close to that maximum weight capacity. And you don't want to do that. It's not going to perform well on grass, the batteries are going to run out faster, and you're going to be stressing out the motor. If you didn't already know that, I really recommend that you watch our first-time buyer's guide video for electric wheelchairs. That's going to teach you everything you need to know, everything you should take into consideration before purchasing a power wheelchair, such as the weight capacity, the size of the seat, the incline rating, and many other factors that you must know before purchasing any power wheelchair. Something else that I really don't like about this chair is the fact that it doesn't have suspension. So if you are going on a bumpy sidewalk with a lot of big cracks, it might be something that's not too comfortable for you. For someone like me, sometimes I have lower back pain and I don't like feeling all of those cracks. I'd prefer a chair with full suspension coils on the front and the rear. Now, while it doesn't have suspension, it does have air-filled tires, which does provide a little bit of smoothness to the ride. So it's not the worst, but it could be better. One other thing that I really don't like about it is the fact that the armrests do not flip up. When you're transferring in and out of a chair, it helps to flip up the armrests to get them out of the way. Unfortunately, this chair, the armrests are fixed. Now, all of these things aside, it's not a bad chair. If you weigh less than 210 pounds, you should be fine as far as the weight capacity and its performance off-road on grass. And I will say that power wheelchairs that do have suspension, you still do feel the cracks. This chair is reasonably priced for a folding power wheelchair that's made by a high-end manufacturing company. These chairs are made with really high-quality parts. The customer support and warranty support is unmatched by Whill, so I will say that you will have peace of mind when you own a Whill product, whether it's one of their chairs or their scooters. Now, before I get into the pros and what I do like about this chair, I want to take the time to say thank you for watching our videos and supporting our YouTube channel. We could not do it without you. By the way, did you know that part of every sale goes towards funding our community donation program? We give away mobility scooters to people in need all the time. They could be homeless or just struggling to get around with a cane, walker, or manual wheelchair. If you want to join that movement, shop at Mobility Direct or tell someone you know that needs a wheelchair or a scooter to shop with us. You could also spread the word by sharing this video on your Facebook page. Together, we can make a difference, one mobility device at a time. If you're enjoying this video, make sure you subscribe so that you can get notified when new videos come out just like this one. If you have a question that we don't cover in this video, leave it in the comments section. We will reply to your comments within 1 business day. By subscribing and leaving a comment, you're automatically entered into our giveaway raffle program. We randomly select people who subscribe and comment on our videos all the time, and we gift them a free mobility product. So what are you waiting for? You're already here. It's free. Hit the subscribe button, leave a comment, and you could be the next lucky winner, like the last few winners you're seeing on the screen now. What I really like about this chair is how compact it is. It's extremely narrow, which makes it ideal for navigating tight spaces indoors. It's also really compact when it's folded up, so you can store it in the trunk of pretty much any type of vehicle. It's also really easy to fold, which is another thing I like about it. I also like how easy it is to remove the battery, which only weighs 6 pounds. Something else I think is worth mentioning is how advanced the technology is on this thing. It has one of the lowest repair rates out of any power chair we carry. Not only that, the joystick controller literally tells you what's wrong with it. For example, if you disengage the brakes and try to use the machine, it'll tell you to re-engage the red brake levers.
Pull up the red brake release levers and restart.
This can save you a lot of time and money when you have to call a technician. Also, this chair features an app that you can install on your smartphone. You just scan the QR code that comes with your unit and sync it up with the app. The app allows you to lock the chair for security. You can also remote control the chair using a digital joystick on your screen, which, by the way, we had a lot of fun with during the Halloween season last year. But it also has a bunch of cool features on the app, such as some diagnostic features. It tells you how much charge your battery has left and more. I also think it's worth mentioning that this chair has one of the widest foot plates out of any folding power wheelchair that we carry, and that's something that a lot of people are interested in. Now I'm going to go ahead and transition to going over the specification list. We do have another in-depth review video for this product. If you want to watch it, click on the top right-hand corner of the screen where it says in-depth video. For now, I'm going to go ahead and just recite the specifications. If you have any questions, make sure to leave them in the comment section. We will reply within 1 business day. So here I am on our website, mobilitydirect.com. I'm on the product page for the Whill Model F. At the time of making this video, the price point is $2,499. Keep in mind, we do not charge sales tax and shipping is free. We also include a 1-year in-home service plan for free, which complements the warranty for the parts. So if something does go wrong, as long as it's an approved warranty claim, we will dispatch a technician to your home at no additional cost to replace the parts for a period of 1 year. Now this chair is available in red, white, black, blue, and green. So here's the specification chart. All you have to do is click specifications. You can also see return product information and warranty information on our website. Now, as far as the specs go, the total all-up weight is just under 60 pounds. Now the battery is 6 pounds, so if you remove the battery, you will save some weight. It's made by Whill. It can support up to 250 pounds, and it can travel up to 12.4 miles on a full charge. It has a 1.5-inch ground clearance and a top speed of 3.7 miles per hour. It has a 10-degree incline rating, and it is airline approved as well as cruise line approved. The turning radius is 30.7 inches. It has automatic brakes, which are magnetic. It doesn't have suspension. The overall length is 36.8 inches, and the overall width is 21.9 inches. The height is 33.7 inches. The folded dimensions are 18.3 inches long, 21.9 inches wide, and 33.7 inches tall. The seat-to-ground height is 17.4 inches. It does not have a universal hitch receiver on the back of the seat. The seat width is 18 inches. The seat depth is 16 inches. The seat does not recline, slide forward, or rotate. It does have the option to get a seat belt, but it's not included. Armrests are included, but they are not height adjustable or flip up. They do, however, have the option to width adjust, and we do have a video showing you how to do that. Now, it's a rear-wheel drive power chair with 8-inch drive tires, 7.6-inch front tires, and the tires in the rear are air-filled. It does have a horn buzzer on the joystick, and it does not have any light or turn signals, unfortunately. It runs off of a 24-volt battery, which is a 10 amp hour capacity. It is made of lithium, airline approved once again, and it weighs 6 pounds. The charger is rated for 28.49 volts and it's a 2.4 amp charger, which requires a standard household outlet providing at least 110 to 120 volts. It uses a 5-pin barrel connector and the charging port is on the battery. The total watt hours are 253, and again, it does come with that 1-year in-home service plan as well as a 1-year limited warranty on the electronics, battery, and motor. You also get a 5-year limited warranty on the structural components. Well, folks, that's going to wrap up this video. I hope you enjoyed, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave them in the comment section. We will reply within 1 business day. Thanks again for watching. Until next time, everybody, have a great day.